Do you want to make $25 over and over again? It's very simple. You do not need any skills. It will only take you around 10 minutes to do it per day. So if that sounds cool, then please watch this video till the very end, because I'm going to show you a step-by-step method with which you can earn $25 over and over again. If you are new to my channel, then please browse through the collection of videos that I have on my channel. I make videos on how to make $100 with Instagram, how to make $9 in 15 minutes, on how to make $1,000 from WhatsApp, make $50 per hour with uploading by uploading a photo, etc., etc. There are lots and lots of videos. You can browse through them, and if you like the videos, then please subscribe to my channel. Okay, so let's hop onto the video. I am gonna show you how to make $25 over and over again. If you like the video, then please subscribe to my channel. Okay, so today I'm gonna tell you about something. uh, there's a service on Fiverr called I will find targeted email list and LinkedIn business email addresses. So what this person does is, this person will provide you a targeted email list of customers, and then you can use that list to promote your product, etc. So I'm going to teach you how you can get the business list. If this particular gig looks complicated, you might think, you need to have good following, you need to have good connections to get a list, but it's not so. It can be done very easily. So first of all, let's see this gig. This person offers the basic package for $25. In this, he provides 1,000 targeted email lists, and then he has a standard package of $125. In this, he provides 5,000 targeted email lists, and then he goes for the premium, in which he provides 10,000 targeted email lists, and for that he charges $250. So the first step in accumulating email list is that you need to head over to Google, and then you need to type in your niche. For example, our niche is make money online, so we write make money online, and then we put our niche in inverted commas. We enclose it with inverted commas. After that, we give a space, and then we search the you know the area in which we want to target. So for example, we want to target New York. Okay, put that in inverted comma, and then put @gmail.com. Okay, this is your search query. Okay, then you click on the search. And one more thing is that you can do is, you need to come over on tools, and then you need to filter by past week. This will provide you the most relevant results. After that, you need to open a separate tab and type Shane tools. Okay, so what is this? Basically, Shane's tool is a sort of email extractor. This particular site, you need to visit this particular site. Okay, intel-sw.com. Then what you need to do is, you need to copy this blue button, Shane's tools, over to your toolbar. Okay, and it is gonna look like this, Shane's tool. Now you need to head over to your Google search query, make money online in New York @gmail.com. Then you need to click on Shane's tool, and then you need to click on extract emails. Okay, so as you can see, this has done its job. This free software has done its job. It has extracted some emails. You can copy all these emails to your Excel file, and you can do you can run multiple search queries for multiple cities and build a list of clients. So you see, this is very simple. After creating the list, all you need to do is, you need to go over to Fiverr. You need to create a gig like this, and for creating gigs, you need to you need to copy this guy. Don't exactly copy each word. You need to be a bit creative with your words, but create something similar, like create something like this, because this thing works. Okay, and put your title also like this: I will find targeted email lists and LinkedIn business email addresses. So you can come over here. You can type in Facebook, you can type in LinkedIn, and run multiple search queries and try extracting email with the Shane's tool. I am pretty sure it's gonna work very, very fine for you. This is the basic concept of collecting emails, and you can see you can do multiple search queries. You can just browse through the Fiverr. This particular guy, get B2B list, has created other packages also. Not this one. Other guys have created packages, say for example niche and location based targeted email list, active valid fresh emails with 100% deliverable guarantee. This guy is offering for $10. Another one is offering for I will find targeted email address lists. He's offering for $10. So this person has also created this gig, B2B lead generation LinkedIn fresh leads. He's offering it for $35. So just browse through Fiverr, and there you can find a lot of ideas on how to promote your gift. If you're still having problems, then I have certain videos on Fiverr on how to get maximum out of Fiverr. I will put the link to those Fiverr videos in the description, and you can go and check them out. So it, one or two videos I think are in Hindi, in my local language. So if you have trouble understanding them, then please feel free to contact me. I will tell you the gist of the method, but you need to comment on my video. You need to comment on this video, or you need to comment on that video. I'm gonna tell you what's there in that video. So, and you can also follow me on Quora. I'm also available on Quora as Akshat Agarwal. You can go there and you can request any specific question that you want answered. So, this was it for for today's video. If you like the video, then please comment on my video. Also, browse through the collection of videos that I have on my channel. I am happy to help. If you have any questions regarding any of the videos, then please comment on the videos. I'll definitely help you. So this was today's video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.